Welcome to Inspiring Fables. Here we share stories and insights to inspire and motivate you. Today we are diving into 7 highly effective habits to achieve success in life. These habits have helped countless individuals reach their goals, and they can do the same for you also. Habit number 1. Set clear goals. The first habit is setting clear and achievable goals. Knowing exactly what you want to accomplish provides direction and purpose. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and track your progress regularly. Habit number 2. Develop a morning routine. A productive morning routine sets the tone for the rest of the day. Successful people often start their day with activities like meditation, exercise, and planning. This boosts energy levels and improves focus. Habit number 3. Continuous learning. Never stop learning. Invest time in reading, taking courses, and seeking new knowledge. This habit keeps you adaptable and opens up new opportunities. Habit number 4. Time management. Managing your time effectively is crucial. Prioritize tasks, avoid procrastination, and make sure to allocate time for both work and relaxation. Use tools like planners or digital apps to stay organized. Habit number 5. Networking and building relationships. Building strong relationships can open doors to new opportunities. Network with like-minded individuals, seek mentors, and always be willing to help others. A solid network can provide support and guidance. Habit number 6. Maintaining a positive attitude. A positive attitude can make a significant difference. Focus on solutions rather than problems and cultivate gratitude. This mindset attracts positivity and resilience in the face of challenges. Habit number 7. Last but not least is staying consistent and persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight, my dear friends. Stay consistent in your efforts and be persistent. Even when faced with obstacles, remember, every small step forward brings you closer to your goals. My dear friends, incorporate these 7 habits into your daily life and watch as they lead you to success. Thanks for watching Inspiring Fables. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for success.